At this point, I'm standing by that statement in anticipation of having an opportunity to have further conversations with our public safety leaders.
This story is new tonight. Portland police said they were not aware of the sheriff's position on not booking camping ban violators into jail until yesterday. The sheriff released a statement saying she would not book violators of city ordinances, including the camping ban. This set off confusion between city and county leaders about how that ban will be enforced. Good evening. Thanks for staying with us, everybody. I'm Steve Dunn.
I'm Deborah Knapp. The mayor said the sheriff lifted booking restrictions in August of 2023, but the sheriff said that does not apply to city ordinances.
K2's Emily Gersh joins us live downtown Portland now. You tried to get to the bottom of this today. Tell us what you found out, Emily.
Steve, well, the sheriff said she stood by her statement and she would not answer any follow-up questions. The mayor's office also declined to comment further, but the disconnect is raising concern about how the two parties are working together to end homelessness on our streets.
Our statements that were provided over the last couple of days stand for themselves.
On Wednesday, Multnomah County Sheriff Nicole Morrisey O'Donnell refused to address Mayor Ted Wheeler's allegations that she lifted booking restrictions in August 2023.
Sheriff, the mayor said in a statement yesterday that you lifted booking restrictions in August 2023 during conversations about this camping ordinance. Is that true?
So I think that everything has been said about that topic today.
I needed an answer to this question because there's a disconnect here. You're not going to, it's a yes or no question.
I think the sheriff has said what she needs to say.
Instead, a spokesperson for the sheriff's office referred us to a statement she released Tuesday, in which she said city ordinances do not fall under the sheriff's office's booking criteria, adding that neither the city nor Portland police requested that an exception be made for the camping ordinance. In a Wednesday press conference, Chief Bob Day did not address the matter, but a spokesperson for Portland police told K2 News in an email, quote, the chief never requested that the camping ordinance be added to the booking criteria because we didn't think we needed to. It was our understanding that the sheriff would book the individuals transported to the jail for violating the ordinance. Yesterday was the first time we heard of her position on this matter. I tried a second time to get some clarity from the sheriff. She did not respond.
Sheriff, if you have a different story than the mayor, how can the public trust that the city and the county are working together?
So we're going to have
Can you
opportunities
answer that?
to follow up directly with.
Now, a spokesperson for Portland Police said Chief Bob Day is letting officers know today that they have the option of transporting people charged with violating the camping ban to a police precinct to be processed and receive a criminal citation. I asked him what's the point of arresting them then, and he said an arrest is the same thing as a citation. They just aren't booked into jail. He went on to say this is the only viable option we have at this point. We're live in downtown Portland. Emily Gersh, K2 News.
Emily, thank you.